I'm Judith Smith with Atlanta Basement Design, here with Juanita Smith on April 2nd. And we started this job on March 25th. And we have the framing done, the electrical has been roughed, the HVAC has been installed, the plumbing has been roughed, and if it weren't for the permit and the inspections, we would be ready for drywall and trim and done with this job within a week and a half. But we are in the process of getting the permits and the inspections. And before COVID, we used to be able to go down to South Fulton County and issue a permit within 12 to 15 minutes. It's not like that anymore, so we're processing that. Okay, and I'm here with Juanita, and she is going to put a kitchen in her basement apartment. And this is, how do you feel about the quality of this door?
Love this color. It's going to blend very nicely. I wanted to go with something that was dark because I still have young kids, and I know that they are destructive when it comes to light color furniture. So this ended up being really perfect for our room.
Okay, and this is the granite. This is $33 a square foot at MC Granite. And this is her flooring, which is going to go extremely well with the granite. The granite's got some of the dark color to pick up the color of the cabinets and the floor. And what happened with the floor is that I go to Floor and Decor when we start a job, and I go about every day, every 2 days, every 3 days to check out what's going on there because they have clearances. We got this flooring, which she loves, which I would put in my own home for 99 cents a foot. It was $1.89. It would have been $4,800 for the 2174 square feet that we need. We are getting it for 2,600 something, 2,600 and change.
Yes.
So we saved about $2,000 because their delivery is $400. We're getting it all delivered to the basement for $150. Delivered from Floor and Decor and Conyers and into the basement, loaded in for $150.
Yep.
And it's going to pick up the colors of the cabinetry and the granite just perfectly. Juanita, when we walked through on the framing, did I put the level on the stud before you came?
Absolutely. She was able to show me that everything was level from the left to the middle to the right to the back to the front. She showed me everything, how level it was and how it's going to be perfect when it comes to inspection time, how it's going to be passing and everything. So I was very impressed with that.
Yes, and the electrical, our electrician has got to be the best electrician in Atlanta, one of the best guys ever to work with. And when he came in, he said these rooms, we only called for 6 can lights in 2 rooms for in the contract, and that was on me because that's what I thought was necessary. And when he got here, he said, no, the rooms are too square. I think it would look better with 9 can lights. So he added 6 can lights, which are normally billed by an electrician for $150 each, $900, no charge. And we want to communicate to people that you have 2 books of charges.
Mm-hmm.
When I was renovating this house in Roswell, every one of the subcontractors that I talked to was my deposit. And the one I was going to go with on the siding, after she needed her deposit, did not have her phone on for 11 days. Couldn't leave a message, didn't return texts for 11 days. This job was started on March 25th. The framing was completed, the plumbing was completed, the electrical was completed, the HVAC was completed. And Juanita and her husband wrote their first check last night on April 1st when the electrician was done. We give people a sense of comfort. Don't you feel better having had the work done first before you're outlaying all this money?
Absolutely. So many contractors ask for either a down payment or 50% up front, and then a lot of times you just never see them again. and so you're stuck or you're out of money and you can't contact anyone. It was so reassuring to see that they were able to come in and do the work and then later ask for the payment.
Yes, we want to give people a sense of security that we are a safe entity to do business with, and you are safe getting your work done. Everyone that works for us is successful. They don't need deposits. They can make their own materials deposits. I'm successful. I can get all the materials on the job site without any money, and it gives clients a sense of reassurance. So we have everything done. We're now going through with the permitting process and the inspections, which we hope will be done this week. And if it wasn't, we would have this basement done in about 2.5, 3 weeks. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, excellent.